When your Xfinity remote stops responding to voice commands, it's usually caused by something simple. The most common reasons are weak batteries, pairing issues, blocked microphones, or temporary software glitches. Start with fresh AA batteries and make sure they're inserted correctly. While you're there, check for any corrosion inside the battery compartment. Next, power cycle everything. Unplug your TV and Xfinity TV box, remove the batteries from the remote, wait about 60 seconds, then reconnect the devices and reinsert the batteries. This clears temporary communication errors. Now, check the microphone opening on the remote. Dust or debris can block voice detection, so gently clean it with a soft, dry cloth. If voice control still isn't working, you'll need to repair the remote. XR11 remotes require holding the setup button until the light turns green, then pressing the Xfinity button and following on-screen steps. XR15 remotes require holding Xfinity and info together until the light turns green, then entering the pairing code shown on your TV. XR16 remotes can be paired by pressing the voice button and following the on-screen instructions. Also confirm that voice control is enabled in settings under remote settings. If problems continue, use the Xfinity mobile app as a backup remote while troubleshooting, or contact Xfinity support for replacement options.